Hi guys and welcome to our channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to dye sublimate our heart handle mugs using a tumbler heat press. This product is great if you're wanting to make a cute little gift for Valentine's Day. On the screen now is a list of products which you will need for this project. Once you have all of these, we can move on to the steps. Step 1. Download the free 11oz Heart Handle Mug template from our website, which is available for free after purchase. Step 2. Open the template in a design program. We're going to use Canva today, but there's also Photoshop or Affinity, which will also work for this project. Step 3. Create your design on the template and save it as a PNG with a transparent background. As you can see, we've gone with a little love theme for the design as it just goes hand in hand with the mug. Step 4. Print your design mirrored for sublimation. Step 5 is to preheat the press to 180 degrees and to set the timer for 200 seconds. The pressure also needs to be medium, but the machine that we're using today automatically does it for us. Step 6. Lint roll the mug to remove any dust or fibres. Step 7. Once the press has preheated, place the mug in there for 10 seconds so that it gets up to room temp. This just helps with preventing uneven heat distribution and potential fading. Step 8. Cut out the design and fix it in place with heat resistant tape, making sure that it's secure for an even print. We're using a holder which helps keep the mug in place. Step 9. Place the mug in the press with the handle facing upwards and press start. Step 10. Remove the mug using heat protective gloves as it's super hot and peel off the tape. Step 11. Let it cool down and it's ready to use. And that's how easy it is to make a Valentine's gift. Thank you so much for watching. Hit like, tell us in the comments what Valentine's designs you would make, and follow us for more sublimation tips and ideas.